making money. But the main intention was people should have understand how the swing trading happens. So the intention is only to focus on swing trading rather than more focusing on uh, intraday positions. So if you would have gone through channel, you would have seen we have posted some of the charts of our trades, as well as we have posted some of our patterns, what we trade on that. I think somebody is trying to make something here. Decovis, but are you trying to do something?
Oh, that was an accident. I'm sorry.
Please, can you remove this?
Yes, my first time. I'm
No
1
problem.
second.
Thank you. Okay. So if we go through the channel, the intention was to have more and more swing trading. So and we have been in the past seen so many people come to this world and then they got stuck, booked some losses, and then they eventually move out. I was one of them when I started this journey, and I felt that there is something which is harshly missed and harshly misrepresentative. So the most important thing before trading is to learn about that how a person should trade, how a person should invest. Normally we spend whole of our life to do our education, basics, graduation, then further degrees, and then we start our professional world. But somewhere the investing business considered to be very easy, where people just jump into that and they don't want to learn the art or things. But trust me, this is also about learning, and it's not only about trading. If you learn, you earn. You learn, you grow. So that was the motive where we started this, and we don't want people to stuck onto the positions for intraday. Our focus is to our target market segment is to the people who are doing their jobs, who are busy their work. They should start making some money out of it, and that's what we initiated this KPS trades, where our logo itself is patience, passion, patience, profit. This is what we are focusing on. So you should have a passion for this. You should have a patience for your setup to get active, and then you should take your valuable profit. You should not miss that. People have a misconception. Somebody, people have a misconception about profits, that how to book profits. More than entry exit is important. I got some messages also after a few of our trades. We booked early profit, like Dr. Reddy, it moved
Mm.
next day again. So there can be scenarios like that because that has become a news-based strategy. Let's look on to the trades which we have done. I'm not sure if people would have been seen. I will show you guys. Can you see my screen now? These are the trades which we have done for the month of August, which was
Can
our,
you make it a little bigger? A little
sorry.
bigger?
Okay.
A little bigger?
Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Now is it better?
That's too big. Too big.
That's too big.
Way too big.
Still big? It's okay.
It's right there. Too big.
Too big. Now?
Now it's really really small.
So I have to stick
Maybe
some.
maybe a little bigger.
Is it?
I like it. I like it.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So if you see this, we have started this on 11th of August, and considering the fact we went with the trades, we have done almost 17 profitable trades we have booked. Total trades out of this, because of market, we have couple of trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades where we exit with minor losses, and balance all trade we booked our desired profits. Whereas couple of trades we get 20-22% also. But as mentioned in the channel, my always motive is if we get anything above 7% in a span of few days, that's a brilliant trade. And I always keep looking for exit at that time. So that's how we want to do it. I think Mr. Vishal, you have drawn something on the screen. It's coming. Why it's coming into my screen? Okay, same way, if we goes to September month, we had a 3 carry forward trade from August, which we booked in this month, and then we have all fresh trades where we have given the swing trade. This was a very good month. We generated around 78,700 profit after our few positions of banking stocks got hit due to market volatility. Now, if you see on the common object of these trades, there is a defined stop loss, right? Because there can be uncertainty in the market considering the index movement or a movement in the Dow Jones a day before, because these are all overnight positions we are carrying swing. We are just trying to protect our profits as well as preserve our capital, because capital saved is a capital earned. And similar way, if you see, whenever we feel things are not going our way, we don't even wait for the stop loss to hit. We sometimes try to exit early with minimizing our losses. So we don't want exactly stop loss to hit. We exit if we feel market is becoming dicey. And there was a situation when we were at zero positions. We have just closed everything, whatever was pending, whether it was in loss or it was in minor profit or at cost. We exited everything and we hold it, and then we decided to re-enter after a gap of almost a week. Sort of 5 working days we didn't trade anything. We are not compulsory traders here. We want to trade with a concept, we want to trade a setup, and based on that we trade considering the market factors also. So if I take you through, I have shared some charts in the channels also today, so that people understand what we look for it and what are the setups, how we trade on this. Now, if you can see this chart on your screen, this was the Jubilant FoodWorks, a brilliant chart. Within a 2 days, practically a second day itself, we hit our target. This was a harmonic pattern. Then we have a momentum indicator RSI showing us. So that has also helped us to enter this trade. So a perfect swing, which we normally try to capture. We entered pretty early. If you see on these green lines, this was our buying range, 2265 to 2295, with a stop loss of hardly around 35 to 40 points. And on the higher sides, it's 50 to 60 points. We exited a trade in 2 days time, which it crossed our target by 7 rupees and then it came back. So it's a very precise trade. Entry was also decided. Exit was also perfectly timed. And then it gave us a good amount of profit, 8% in 2 days. And then we are out of that. Same goes for another trade, Eicher Motor. Although target, I was aiming little higher because with the momentum, it looks possible. Although it's still possible, but we exited with our 8% again as it went sideways for 3 days. And last 3 days, if you see, almost the low and high remains the same. I still feel it can move up, but better to book something than to wait for what is not there. And if you guys would have been noticing, when a stock moves above 5%, we always request or always suggest people to book profit or put a trailing stop loss at cost, so that our profitable trade should not convert into loss. The worst thing is your profitable trade give you losses. That's the worst thing in trading. So that should have never happened. So whenever you're in profit, you should trail your stop loss at cost, so that there is no risk of losing money. Even if you don't gain anything out of that, but you make sure that you don't lose anything as well. That's another important thing which we should keep it in our mind. The another trade, I was not there on Thursday. Maybe some people would have been booked. It's a brilliant parallel channel trade. We entered pretty decent levels at 1920 to 1955. And within the next 2 days, it's almost there with our target, as the high was 2049 and we were aiming at 2055. So almost 130 rupees up, 7% profit again in a span of 2 days. We always see our momentums indicator that also give us a buy with our channel support. So we have a multiple setups which we look for a trade. It's not on a single setup based we do it. We do it based on harmonics, we do it based on candlestick patterns, and we use our momentum indicators to look for a setup to give us a trade. That's how I find this was my expectation was pretty high to move, but it moved little slow. But yes, it's moving. If you see this perfect swings, it's trading. It's a perfectly swingly trading in between the channel. And this time also, just from the lower end of the channel we entered, and then it's above. It's around 40-50 points above our entry level, even on the higher side. And once it crossed double 175, our first target is also there. It can move on towards the end of the channel, which is 1270, 1280. But again, our objective of 10% achieves us 1250, and that's how we look forward for trade. That's how we took that move on that. So that helps us accordingly, and accordingly we like to move and book our trades. Anyone have any questions so far, or anything you want to ask? I see a few people unmuted themselves. Okay. Let's go on the last chart, which I want to show you guys before we move on to some patterns. This was a very good swing trade, I will say, although it went beyond, but next day it was in. So it's still then it's a sideways. We took entry at a Fibonacci level of 0.618 with our momentum confirming the trade. Trade should move ahead with this with the market sentiment. And as we aim our middle range of the lines to give us a good profits on that. So you would have seen 4 different patterns here, or 4 different trading setups here in these charts. That's why I kept different kind of charts to explain that these are the different patterns or different setups which trade. So some people say it's a single trade or a momentum trade. It's a different patterns and different kinds of trades which I take. And that makes us more strengthy. And on a swing basis, we aim to achieve anything between 5 to 15 days to hit our targets. And so far, our hit ratio is above 80%. Right? We have done good number of, you see, in September month, we have around 31 trades. 23 we booked because majority of around 7-8 trades we took in last 2 days. Yeah. Last 2 days of the month, 28th and 29th, we took 8 trades. So we had a carry forward. If you see, the October month is good poise because we have 8 carry forward. At any set of time, I am not keeping more than 10 positions open, so that people with limited capital can also trade all the positions and take benefit after that. One suggestion I have, because I've seen few people sending me messages, they would have traded only some set of stocks which they feel was good. Some they would have not traded, which they don't know about the company or something. We trade only fundamentally strong companies. We do not jump in between or a penny stocks unless literally the fundamentals of the company is good, their management moat is good. So our filter level, our stock selection, select only good companies. So please, if you are taking a trade for a month, want to see, took all the trades. Sometimes it happens on a hard luck, you took only 3 trades and 2 out of that become a stop loss hit. For overall for us, it doesn't make a difference, but for your position, then it will be on the negative side. So we want each one of you, if you're trading, you should took all trades. You can downsize your position. You can reduce the investment amount in each trade, but it should be same amount for each trade. You should do it. You should not vary that one trade 10,000, another trade 20,000. No, for a same month, Your risk amount should be same. Your capital invested amount should be same. If you see in my sheet, I am considering everywhere the investment amount 50,000 rupees. So if you see, if two stocks generated 9%, the profit remains the same. So this all has been calculated based on a 50,000 invested in each stock. So if somebody took a full trade in August also, on investment of 2.5 lakh, you would have booked 64, 65,000. Maybe little bit variance, 4, 5,000 here and there, then my exit level giving and your take positions to be closed. Still 60,000 in a month with a 2.5 lakh capital is immense return. It's a very good returns. And you can see there will be so many stocks which are repeated, because whenever they give trade, we enter. See this Mastech, we traded twice in the same month, right? Same ways goes Emphasis, right? Unichem, we traded twice. Okay, one is still and one is open. See this. Let's go to the open sheet. If you see this, see this. UPL, we have traded twice. You traded on 14th, we booked on 18th, we again entered on 28th. So we can keep entering when it gives as per our pattern. Same goes Force Motor. Force Motor, if somebody noticed, we would have traded in August also. See this. We have traded at 1015 and 1061 and 1178 we exited in 2 days. And now we traded at almost 9 points, 10 points lesser. And we are aiming higher target. So stock given our target came back almost a month around same levels and now again on a verge of a breakout. This is called the beauty of the setups which we look forward for our trades and want to do it. Okay, we have started gradually a personal level teaching on that, on our setups, how to understand. You would have seen this presentation which I have made on a candlestick. So we teach people from the basics, how it works, how things goes, what are the importance of price action, and then we take it to the patterns. So we have started. We have completed around 4 students because I'm doing a personalized session one by one for everyone for a 2 hour or 1 hour, depending on person's convenience, to teach them the basic first. Then we add on to that patterns, and then we add on some indicators, and then we add on some momentum recipes, so that a person can full-fledged trade. It's not I can't trade on intraday basis, but we don't want. Our focus is on swing. Yes, we are starting recently. We have tested one of our students who have learned. He has back tested some of the trades on a commodities basis. And I'll be sooner started putting some trades in the channel on a commodities basis, for a commodities basis of our same pattern. So this pattern works in Forex. I personally trade Forex, global Forex. This pattern works on commodities. This pattern works on Indian stock markets, or I can say it works each and every asset class. So we have researched a lot and we have worked a lot to develop this setup. And then we have come up back openly with two people to share our knowledge so that maximum people can earn. I request all of you to follow us on Twitter. Sometimes some trades put on Twitter and it moved very fast. By the time I put on Telegram, the trade is already gone. We had this one trade this month also, Adani Enterprises. It was missed in channel, and but Twitter it was put on. By the time I wanted to put in channel, it was already moved ahead. So it went with our paid clients and Twitter, but it didn't came to all of us. Now, floor is open for any questions or any queries. Anybody want to say anything? They are most welcome.
ब्लॉक कर दे तेरा
Anyone?
भेजा ब्लॉक कर दो ना
Anyone have any queries? Anyone want to ask anything? Okay, I don't think so. Anyone want to ask? People Seems to be satisfied. Okay, let's talk about our open trades. We have around 8 trades open. Out of this, Asian Paint eventually had hit almost hit our target on Thursday, as I was not available, so I didn't give any exit. So I will see on a Monday, because all these positions, all these trades which I give in the channel or Twitter, I personally trade them. So my position is also still open. I will be looking forward to close this position the first thing in the morning, or maybe with the AMO trade, so that once the market opens, I get the maximum out of it. Sometimes price opens very up and then immediately came down. So AMO is better when you know which price you want to exit. So that helps us. Timken has started moving. Reliance is little volatile with the market. We will wait for it because it can become again a news-based trade. So I'm not sure, but we'll observe for a few more days before we decide anything. UPL suddenly after our trade, we took trade, it went 8-9 points down. So I started getting messages from people, but it's fine. It happens sometimes, but next day itself it was up. So this is a market, guys. It's not that the moment we enter trade, the same moment it will go up. It will eventually follow the patterns, unless and until there is something coming from outside, a news, or index fallen drastically. That is not in our control. So for that we have our stop losses. Same goes for Cummins. After 2 days of sideways, at Thursday, I think it gave a good rally of 11-12 points. And then it came back again to close to our cost. So all these stocks has given enough time for people to enter to the trade. And now they are all above our trades. So I am pretty confident that with this, my half of the target of achieving October profit will be achieved by these 8 stocks itself. Looking forward for all your support. Please follow us on Twitters as well, and add more and more people to this group, so that more and more people can take benefit of that. We genuinely want people to make money, and we trade each and every stock ourselves in our own account. Although I manage some portfolio managed services to some personalized clients of mine, I give them that service and I manage their portfolio as well. In those accounts also, I take all these trades which has been given to you guys. But as they trade with the more number of quantity, their profit ratios are always different. But the stocks remains the same. The setup remains the same. The concept remains the same. The strategy remains the same. We go ahead and do same thing which we send into the group. This is only based on a price and momentum. Nothing else. We follow the trend. We don't want to do the reversal of the trend. Not interested to reversal. We follow the trend. If you see, majority of our trades, or 98% of the trades, are only in the buying side. We will see when we need to change the position and look for a selling side. But as of now, we are pretty convinced that if trend is up, market is up, we should stay with the trend. We don't want to go against the trend. So we will go accordingly. Okay, guys, I again want to thank each one of you, and I want to ask if there is anyone